Hi friends, DFCCIL has given a notification for the recruitment of junior manager, executive and junior executive in various disciplines. So before going to the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like my video and also please share my video with your friends. So DFCCIL, a Government of India Enterprises, which is a link to Ministry of Railways, has given notification for various posts like junior manager, executive and junior executive. And if you see the last date for closing of online registration of application and submission of online fees is 23/5/2021, means 23 May 2021 up to 23:45 hours, and the tentative date for computer based test is June 2021. And if you see here the post and vacancies and pay scales, for a junior manager pay scale is 50,000 to 1,60,000, and junior manager civil vacancies are 31, and essential qualifications are bachelor's degree in civil engineering from a recognized institute with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate. And here vacancies are list are given as per the reservations. And also junior manager operations and BD total vacancies are 77, and these are the vacancies as per the reservations. And educational qualifications for this junior manager operations and BD are 2 years MBA, PGD BA, PGD BM, PG DM in marketing, business operation, customer relation, finance from a recognized institute with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate. And junior manager mechanical, 3 vacancies are given, and educational qualifications bachelor's degrees in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. So like this some branches are given. So I will provide this notification link in the description so you can read all these details. And if you see here for the post executive, the pay scale is between 30,000 to 1,20,000, and in this executive civil total vacancies are 73. And for educational qualification, so for this executive post in civil, the qualifications is diploma, 3 years diploma in civil engineering transportation. Like this some branches are given. And executive electrical total vacancies 42, qualification diploma in electrical and some other branches. And here medical standards are also given, so you can refer this, and detail will be given in other pages, so you can refer. And executive in signal and telecommunication total vacancies are 87, and qualification is also diploma in electrical and electronics and some other branches. And executive in operations and B&D total vacancies are 237, and for here educational qualification is a graduation with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate from a recognized university. So if you observe here, for executive in specific branches educational qualification is diploma, but here executive for operations and B&D only, here qualifications is given graduation, so you can note this point here. And also executive mechanical, once again diploma is the qualification required, and in mechanical and some other branches, and vacancies are 3. And if you see for post junior executive, pay scale is 25,000 to 68,000, and junior executive electrical total vacancies is 135. Educational qualification, if you see matriculation with minimum of 60% marks in aggregate plus minimum 2 years duration course completed, act apprenticeship and ITI approved by SCVT, NCVT in the trade of electrical, electrician, wireman, means this is ITI. So you can understand ITI qualification is required for this junior executive post in electrical means you should have ITI qualification in these trades, electrical, electrician, wireman, like this. And junior executive signal and telecommunication, total vacancies 147, and ITI course in these trades. And junior executive in operations and BND, total vacancies 225. And here also ITI approved by SCVT and NCVT in any trade. So here ITI in any trade or graduate in any discipline. So for this post junior executive operations and BND, ITI in any trade is required or otherwise graduation in any discipline. So this having two qualifications means the persons with these qualifications can apply for this post. Junior executive mechanical, 14 vacancies are given. Educational qualification, matriculation with not less than 60% marks in aggregate, plus 2 years ITI approved by the SCVT, NCVT in the trade of fitter, electrician, motor, mechanic, electronics and instrumentation from a recognized institute with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate. So if you see some important instructions here, candidates appearing or awaiting results on the closing date of application are not eligible to apply. So means final year students are not eligible to apply. Means on the closing date, if you are awaiting for results, you cannot apply. And where diploma is essential qualification for the post, para 2 candidates holding degree with minimum 60% marks specified disciplines, means where diploma is a essential qualification, there the degree persons also can apply. So like this, some points are given, you can read out. And here some important point is given: round off percentage will not be acceptable under any circumstances for consideration of appointment. Means the fraction of percentage so arrived will be ignored. That is 59.99% will be treated as less than 60% only. Means if you observe in any trade or for any post, if you observe 60% is the minimum marks, required marks is given. So the candidate should possess 60% of aggregate marks. If he is having 59.99 also, it is not considered. So you should possesses 60% or more than 60% marks compulsory. And if you see the age limit here, junior manager, age should be between 18 and 27. Executive 18 to 30, junior executive 18 to 30. And anywhere there is a age relaxation, upper age limit is relaxable for SC and ST candidates 5 years, OBC non-creamy layer candidates 3 years, and PWBD candidates 10 years. So an upper age limit is relaxable by 8 years for regular employees of DFCCIL. So here age relaxation for different reservation candidates are given, so you can refer here. And if you see here selection process for various posts, so in general there are like computer-based tests, computer-based aptitude test, and document verification. Interview and medical test is given. So medical test is common for any post, and interview is there for only junior manager civil, junior manager operations and BNN. So for junior manager post, interview is there. For other post, interview is not there. And for executive operations, there is a computer-based aptitude test is there for only executive operations and BND. For other people, this computer-based aptitude test is not there, but a common computer based test is there for every candidate, so you can refer this in the notification. So like information is given here, the computer based test online mode will be conducted in 2 or 3 sessions on a single or multiple days of 2 hours duration. So like this, some points are given for qualifying marks, computer based tests and computer based aptitude tests, so you can read the notification. So I told I will give the notification link in the description. If you see here, mainly examination fee for junior manager 1000 rupees and executive 900, junior executive 700 rupees, plus bank charges and GST is applicable, and no examination fee is required for SC, ST, PWPD and ex-service candidates. So the fee should be paid online mode only, and application also should be in online mode only by visiting this DFCCL website. So this also I will give the link in the description, and the application should be filled in English only. So like this, some points are given, so you can refer in the notification. So thanks for watching. Please like and share my video with your friends. Thank you.